Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Money with Maddie. Today, I've got something truly remarkable to share with you. Prepare to revolutionize your income-generating potential with a groundbreaking website that harnesses the power of AI-generated text. This platform will change the way you make money forever, simply by copying and pasting text. All you need is a device and an internet connection. So let's dive right in. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring a game-changing website called GetMunch. GetMunch is a complete game-changer in the world of video marketing. At its core, GetMunch is a cutting-edge platform that utilizes advanced generative AI and marketing analytics to extract the most engaging, trending, and impactful clips from your longer videos. Using state-of-the-art AI and marketing analytics, GetMunch identifies which clips are most likely to resonate with your target audience and which ones are currently trending. This gives you a powerful advantage when it comes to creating YouTube shorts that people will want to watch and share. But wait, there's more. GetMunch also provides you with keywords and trending lists extracted from your chosen video, making it easier for you to optimize your YouTube shorts for maximum visibility. Armed with this valuable information, you'll be able to create shorts that have a greater chance of showing up in search results and attracting more views. Now you might be wondering if GetMunch is user-friendly. The answer is a resounding yes. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Once you're in, all you have to do is copy and paste the link to your chosen video. GetMunch takes care of the rest, generating several different short clips for you to choose from. So are you ready to take your YouTube shorts to the next level? GetMunch is here to empower you with AI-generated clips, time-saving features, and optimization tools. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to a new era of engaging viral videos. Join me in exploring the limitless possibilities that GetMunch has to offer. Let's make your YouTube journey even more exciting and profitable. Let's dive into the exciting sign-up process that will open doors to a world of possibilities. Step 1. Embark on your GetMunch journey by signing up. It's quick and easy, requiring just a few minutes of your time and an internet connection. To begin, head over to the GetMunch website. As you land on the home page, your eyes will be drawn to the Sign Up button gleaming in the upper right-hand corner. Give it a satisfying click and let the magic unfold. In the next stage, you'll be greeted with a simple form asking for your email address. Enter it confidently, for this is your ticket to gaining access to an incredible platform. But hold on, there's one more vital step: creating a password. Choose a robust, memorable password that will safeguard your account securely in the days to come. With your email address and formidable password in place, hit that sign up button like a pro and watch as your GetMunch account is born into existence. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for GetMunch today and embark on a thrilling journey of video marketing success. Step 2. Unleash your YouTube shorts. Congratulations on being a part of the GetMunch community. Now let's dive into the exhilarating process of generating your very own captivating YouTube shorts. But where should you begin, you ask? Fear not, as GetMunch has streamlined the entire process, making it both effortless and instinctive. To embark on your YouTube shorts journey, you first need to choose a long-form video from which you want to create a mesmerizing clip. It could be a video you've personally crafted or one that resonates with your niche, created by another talented content creator. Once you've discovered the perfect video, simply copy its link and swiftly return to the GetMunch platform. With eager anticipation, paste the link into the intuitive tool provided. Here's where the magic truly begins. GetMunch harnesses the power of state-of-the-art generative AI and cutting-edge marketing analytics to extract the most engaging, trending, and impactful clips from your original video. Sit back and let the tool work its wonders. Once the tool completes its creative process, you'll be presented with a captivating array of options. These options encompass various clips meticulously derived from your original video, accompanied by carefully curated keywords and trending lists. This invaluable information will empower you to optimize your shorts for maximum visibility. To choose the short clip that possesses the potential to go viral, it's time to navigate through the treasure trove of clips and keywords. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the exploration, seeking the ones that resonate most profoundly with your vision. Once you've discovered the gem among the options, feel free to add your personal touch through editing. This step allows you to infuse the short with your unique style, incorporating text overlays, music, and other captivating elements that will make it stand out in the vast sea of content, effortlessly capturing the attention of viewers. When you're satisfied with your creation, seize the opportunity to download it to your computer, ready to be shared and showcased to the world. Now that you possess the tools to unlock the full potential of your YouTube shorts, it's time to set your creativity ablaze. Transform your chosen videos into unforgettable moments where artistry meets virality, all with the help of GetMunch. Get ready to inspire, engage, and captivate your audience like never before. Step 3. Unleash your YouTube Shorts upon the world. Congratulations on creating sensational viral YouTube Shorts using GetMunch. Now it's time to unleash them upon the world and share your talent and creativity with eager viewers. Let's dive into the next exciting step, uploading your YouTube Shorts onto your very own YouTube channel. To embark on this journey, you'll need to create a new YouTube channel. Fear not, for creating a YouTube channel is a breeze, a straightforward process that sets the stage for your content to shine. Simply head over to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account, the gateway to your new YouTube venture. Once signed in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture awaits. Give it a confident click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create a Channel. It's a pivotal moment, the birth of your YouTube presence. Next, you'll be prompted to infuse your channel with a name and profile picture. Choose wisely, selecting a name and profile picture that authentically represent your brand or niche. This is your chance to make a lasting impression and capture the essence of your creative identity. With your YouTube channel now gracefully brought into existence, it's time to embark on the thrilling journey of uploading your shorts. GetMunch simplifies this process by providing you with the necessary videos, descriptions, and keywords for each short. Seamlessly integrating them into your channel becomes a seamless endeavor, ready to captivate audiences worldwide. Bear in mind that consistency is key. Aim to upload up to 5 shorts a day. It may sound ambitious, but this is the secret to expedited channel growth and achieving a substantial income from your captivating content. To optimize your videos for maximum engagement, pay attention to crucial details. Craft eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click. Devise engaging titles that ignite curiosity and a desire to watch. And never underestimate the power of a compelling call to action, urging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. But the journey doesn't end there. Engaging with your audience is essential. Respond to comments, foster a sense of community on your channel, and make your viewers feel appreciated and heard. This will forge a loyal following and increase your chances of earning revenue through affiliate links and other monetization methods. With each upload, you're one step closer to YouTube stardom and a flourishing online presence. So keep creating, keep sharing, and watch as your channel thrives, becoming a testament to your talent and dedication. Now go forth and conquer the YouTube landscape with your phenomenal YouTube Shorts. The world is eagerly waiting to be enthralled by your content. Step 4. Unleash the money-making potential of your content. Are you ready to turn your YouTube channel into a lucrative source of income? Look no further than the power of affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is a proven and popular method of earning money online, and it's remarkably easy to get started. To integrate affiliate links into your YouTube Shorts, the first step is to sign up for an affiliate program. With a multitude of options available, popular choices include renowned programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Once you've successfully joined an affiliate program, you can seamlessly incorporate affiliate links into your captivating YouTube Shorts. When a viewer clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's a win-win situation, enabling you to monetize your content while offering valuable products or services to your audience. But why limit yourself to YouTube Shorts? The realm of podcasting presents a golden opportunity. As podcasts continue to surge in popularity, many podcasters seek innovative ways to monetize their content. By extending your services to podcast owners, you can assist them in creating viral YouTube Shorts that promote their podcasts and drive traffic to their websites. Imagine the possibilities, earning money while helping others expand their audience and strengthen their brand. It's a synergy that benefits all parties involved. To offer your valuable services to podcast owners, take proactive steps. Reach out to them with a well-crafted pitch, demonstrating the value you bring to the table. Send a compelling email, leverage the power of social media outreach, or even attend podcasting events where you can network with fellow podcasters and showcase your expertise. By embracing the realm of affiliate marketing and venturing into the realm of podcasting, you unlock new realms of income potential. Your YouTube channel becomes a thriving hub where creativity, entrepreneurship, and financial success converge. So don't wait any longer. Embrace the power of affiliate links, empower podcast owners, and let the world witness the magic of your content while you enjoy the rewards it brings. This is your time to shine, both as a content creator and an astute entrepreneur. Step 5. Unleash the power of community. Welcome to the exhilarating world of community building on Instagram and TikTok, where your reach expands and your income potential skyrockets. The surge in popularity of short-form video content platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok presents a remarkable opportunity to promote your YouTube Shorts and affiliate links, captivating audiences far and wide. To embark on this thrilling journey, it's time to create accounts on both Instagram and TikTok. Choose a username that aligns with your YouTube channel and reflects your brand identity. Craft a compelling profile that accurately portrays your content and includes a link to your YouTube channel. This synergy across platforms reinforces your brand identity and maximizes your online presence. With your accounts in place, it's time to unleash your creativity and create captivating content. Since you're already mastering the art of crafting viral YouTube Shorts, repurpose this sensational content for your Instagram Reels and TikTok accounts. This strategy not only saves time, but also maintains consistency across your various platforms, establishing a cohesive and recognizable brand. When creating content for Instagram Reels and TikTok, embrace the power of trends and hashtags relevant to your niche. By aligning with popular trends and utilizing appropriate hashtags, you'll amplify your chances of reaching new viewers and nurturing a vibrant community around your content. And there you have it, an extraordinary opportunity to foster genuine connections and nurture an engaged community of followers. By building your presence on Instagram and TikTok, you unlock new realms of reach and income potential. Remember, tools like GetMunch have revolutionized the creation of viral shorts, streamlining the process and unleashing your creativity. By promoting your remarkable content on Instagram and TikTok, you expand your audience reach and unlock even greater earning potential through the power of affiliate links. There we have it. We hope you found this insightful journey beneficial and are now brimming with excitement about the endless possibilities to increase your income. Your success is our utmost joy, and we're thrilled to be part of your journey. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Together, let's conquer the digital landscape and create a community that thrives on creativity, engagement, and boundless opportunities. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and watch as your community flourishes.